Out of the 48 teams at the 2026 World Cup, how many do we think have at least two players who share the same birthday? 10 teams? 20? Surprisingly, it almost exactly matches what mathematics predicts. This is Senegal's squad. There are three separate pairs who share the same birthday. Senegal is not alone. Uruguay also has three matching birthday pairs. All three of Morocco's goalkeepers share a birthday with a teammate. Even two of them share the same birthday with each other. Shared birthdays are far more common than most people imagine. Probability explains exactly why. Each national team has a squad of 26 players. So, what is the probability that at least one pair shares a birthday? We ignore the year and look only at the month and day. The mathematical answer is astonishingly 60%. Can you believe this? The reason lies in the number of pairs that can be formed among 26 people. The number of ways to choose two players from 26 is 26 choose 2, 325 different pairs. So there are far more opportunities for a birthday match than our intuition might imagine. Now, let us calculate the exact probability. We first calculate the probability that all 26 birthdays are different. Then we subtract that result from 1. The first player can't have any birthday, so the probability is 365 over 365. The second player must avoid the first player's birthday, so it becomes 364 over 365. The third player must avoid the two birthdays already used, 363 over 365. We continue this process all the way to the 26th player, who must avoid the 25 birthdays already taken. It becomes 340 over 365. Multiplying all these probabilities together gives us approximately 0.4, 40%. This is the probability that all 26 players have different birthdays. So the probability that at least one pair shares their birthday is 1 minus 0.4, 60%. Wow! Since there are 48 teams in the 2026 World Cup, the expected number of teams is 48 multiplied by 0.6, approximately 29 teams. But what do we find in the actual World Cup squad data? Using the published squad list, I compared all 26 players within each of the 48 national teams. The result was 30 teams. 30 out of 48 teams had at least one pair of teammates who shared the same birthday. That is 62.5%. The expected value was about 29 teams, 60%. It's remarkably close. In the remaining 18 squads, no two teammates shared the birthday. Senegal and Uruguay had a larger number of matching birthdays, 3 separate matching pairs. 7 other teams had 2 matching pairs each. The remaining 21 teams had exactly 1 matching pair. But there was not a single squad in which 3 players shared the same birthday. There are 5 pairs of teammates who shared not only the same month and day, but exactly the same date of birth. Across all 48 squads, there are 41 pairs of teammates who shared the birthday. Even this number is remarkably close to the mathematical expectation. Among 26 players, there are 325 possible pairs. Across 48 squads, that gives us 15,600 teammate pairs. The probability that any particular pair shares a birthday is 1 out of 365. So the expected number of matching birthday pairs is 15,600 divided by 365, 42.7 pairs. The actual result was 41, a difference of fewer than 2 pairs. person's birthday may seem like a completely random detail, but when you examine 48 national teams, 1,248 players, a clear mathematical pattern emerges from that apparent randomness.